Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Hulu error code 503. Alright, let's begin. Hulu error code 503 usually occurs when the service is temporarily unavailable or there's a server issue. First, check Hulu's official server status page to see if the problem is affecting multiple users. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until Hulu resolves the issue. Next, restart your device and your internet connection. A simple reboot can fix temporary glitches causing the error. You should also clear the app cache. Go to the three dots in the upper right corner, open Settings, select Privacy and Settings, choose Third-Party Cookies, then click on All Site Data and Permissions, find Hulu, and delete the cache. If the error continues, try connecting to a different network. Public Wi-Fi or restricted networks can block Hulu servers and cause 503 errors. So that's basically how you can fix Hulu error code 503. That's it for this video. Thanks!